Strawberry growers in Florida grow strawberries using a plasticulture system. A small portion of the industry does a really interesting form of relay cropping. First, they grow strawberries on a plastic-covered raised bed. They plant those strawberries sometime around September, begin to harvest in December, and then they harvest until March. Somewhere January and February, they can actually transplant another vegetable into the center of that bed. That vegetable starts to grow while they continue to harvest strawberries. When they get to the end of the strawberry season, they remove the strawberries. They allow that vegetable to continue to grow until it harvests. That allows them to get 2 crops off of one bed using the same plastic, same drip tape, and the same fumigation. So the end result is 2 crops with a lot less input for both of them. I get asked a lot about herbicide use in this relay cropping system. So if you are putting a herbicide under the plastic mulch to control the weeds in your strawberry crop, that might be herbicides like Chateau, Goal, Devernol, and there are others that you can put underneath the plastic mulch. I get asked, will that herbicide still be there when I plant my vegetable crop, and will it affect the growth of that vegetable crop? We did some really interesting experiments at the Gulf Coast Research and Education Center. What we did is we applied different herbicides, Chateau, Devernol, Goal, and Spartan, underneath the plastic mulch, as well as no herbicide. We grew our strawberries, and then we planted peppers. These are jalapeno peppers or banana peppers, eggplants, and cantaloupes into those beds in early February. And then we monitored the vegetables for signs of herbicide damage or a reduction in yield. The good news is that we found that the herbicides applied to control the weeds in the strawberry crop had no effect on the vegetable crop. Therefore, after a couple of years of research, we've concluded that you can use those herbicides, once again, Chateau, Devernol, or Goal, or Spartan, and you can still follow the strawberry crop with cantaloupes, certain types of peppers, banana or jalapeno peppers, as well as eggplants. The one exception to this that we know of, and those are the only vegetables we've tried so far, one other vegetable that we know of that you cannot grow is if you put Spartan under the plastic, you cannot grow onions, as Spartan will severely damage the onions. Other than that, so far we've been able to show that with a relay cropping system, the herbicides that you put in for the strawberries are safe for those vegetable crops that we have tested thus far. Let me end this video by reminding everyone how important it is that when growing strawberries and when relaying vegetable crops with those strawberries, that before you apply any type of pesticide, whether it's a herbicide or any other, that you make sure that you are following the guidelines as described in the label.